Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc 1 litre TSI S 115 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, automatic LED headlights, lane assist, and power assisted speed sensitive steering. It also comes with 16-inch Chester alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes 2-zone climate control, wireless app connect, and a multi-device interface with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.